How to make Discord account. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to make or create Discord account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Open any web browser on your device or directly the Discord application. Click on the search bar at top right corner of the screen. Type in discord.com. Press enter on your keyboard and you will land on the official page or interface of Discord. Click the login button at top right corner of the screen. Once the page loads, you will see the register button. In order to create account, if you already have an account, you can enter email or phone number and the password in order to log in back to your account. Click the register link and create an account page or the box has appeared where you have to enter all your credentials, that is your email, display name, username, password, date of birth, and then you need to check mark the box. So let's enter all the informations and the credential on this section. Once you're done with everything, click on the continue button at the bottom of the screen. Now here you need to confirm that you are not a robot. Check mark I am a human option. And here you need to click on the entity present in the sample image. So you need to click it one by one. So once you are done with that, if you wish to save your password, click on the save button. And after that, you can easily create your first Discord server as well. For now, let's keep as it is and we have successfully created account on Discord. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.